Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn the wheel of a car in Photoshop. It will make your shots much better, they will look a lot better, and it will give people that amazing shoot feeling, which you also want. First you need to get this shot. It's just the perspective you want of the car. This is the best perspective. It's about 60-40. So you can see 60% of the front of the car and 40% of the side of the car. So here we got about 60-40% shot. And then you need to get another picture closer of the wheel where you take the shot of about 70-30 or 80-30. 70-30 is this picture is about 70-30, so 70% of the side of the car and 30% the front of the car. So both times you have to focus on the wheel, it's nice focus, and on the second picture it's also focused. So you have to import both of these pictures into Photoshop with right click and then edit in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. This is the picture we are going to turn the wheel in, and this is the picture where we are going to put the wheel on the car. So let's unlock both of the pictures. And now let's touch this picture and pull it on this one. Now we have it. And then add the mask. Go on the brush and then select the hard round. Go with about 2000. And then erase everything except the wheel. You don't have to erase it pretty well because first you need to put it on the car and then you can erase it properly. So we have the picture right here. Let's make it smaller. You have to press Alt and Shift and then drag here. So your picture will always stay the exact same size, so it won't drag. Zoom on it and make the opacity for about 70% or 80% the right size. So now they are about the same size. Let's look. Yes, they are about the same size, and now we can place it right. So you can see this Mercedes logo. Here is the original one and here is the one we want to place there. So they need to match. Press enter and then select the pen tool and make the opacity back to 100. Hide the first layer and then select the wheel. It's pretty easy, you just have to press it there and pull it. If you have pulled it, press Alt and then press on the square so you can start a new line. Because if you don't press Alt, then it will look like this, and no one likes it. So you always have to press Alt on that small square. Select the wheel. And then press right click, make selection, and OK. That's a selection. Then Command C, Command V, and then delete this layer. And there you go. Here you have it. Now hide the layer of the wheel and now select this part of the car because the wheel hides behind the bumper. I know it's not my best, but hey, this is just a fast tutorial. And put the wheel more in and make it maybe smaller. I'm not as good in it, so maybe you will find a way how to do it better. This is how I always do it. Delete and away, and voila! The wheel is turned. This time it looks a bit weird, sorry for that, it's not my best at it, but yeah. So you come here, select the first layer, with the clone stem tool, just press on the black and erase the wheel you just removed. And here you can see this shiny part of the wheel, just erase that part because we don't need that. And now the wheel is turned. I know it still looks a bit weird. I hope you enjoyed this small tutorial. I will make more soon. If you enjoyed this one, please subscribe